this is Leo here. In today's video, I would like to show you my first drone crash. I started to fly since last year, December. So in the past 4 months, I flew about 60 to 80 flight and I never crashed a drone before. Oh, nor any collisions, never. So this is my first time and I would like to show you the crash footage. So I was trying to capture a footage which flying through under the bridge and then review the beautiful Stockholm Old Town. My Mavic was about a meter height from the water and about a meter under the bridge. When it was under the bridge, suddenly the Mavic just lost the signal and it started to raise itself. It then hit the bridge and dropped into water. Luckily, it flew up by itself. I guess its tower sensor detect obstacle and try to pull itself up again. After that, I managed to flew backward and landed safely. It was totally crazy experience, I must say. My heart was beating so fast and I was so close to lose the drone or never see that again. So I guess when the drone lost the GPS signal, it tried to raise itself up and then go back home. So when it raised itself, two of the back propeller hit the bridge. And you can see the damage here. So this propeller, there's some scratches. And this propeller, you see, is broken here. And also it cracked here. Other than two propeller at the back, it wasn't much damage at the body. It was a little bit wet when I collect my drone back. But other than that, it was quite solid, I must say. Very, very big lesson learned for me. Never, ever, ever fly under the bridge or so close to the bridge unless you know what you want to do. I guess the same principle apply to building. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments and tell me what you think about my crash. Thanks. Bye.